introduce myself. My name is Zara Febrianti. My name is 19241278 from class 192A07. I would like to present two PowerPoints. The first is titled Inside the Computer and the second is Malicious Program. Happy watching everyone! Slide 2. Definition inside the computer. Inside the computer refers to all the internal components housed within a computer case. It's playing a crucial role in processing data, storing information, and executing user commands. Components of the components inside the computer are motherboards, CPU, RAM, SSD, power supply, graphic cards, and cooling system. Slide 3. Explanation of the first component, namely the motherboard. Motherboard is the main board where all the components of the computer such as CPU, RAM, and GPU are connected. Function to connect and enable communication. The second, processor CPU or central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer that is in charge of processing all the data and instruction from the user and the program. Slide 4. The third, RAM. RAM is a temporary memory that stores data or programs that are running, and RAM helps speed up the computer's work process. The fourth, hard disk drive or HDD or solid state drive or SSD. HDD or SSD serve as permanent storage for data, application, and operating system, and HDD as magnetic disks. Slide 5. The 5 power supply unit or PSU. A PSU is a component that converts electrical current from an outlet into electrical current that can be used by computer components. The 6th, GPU. The GPU is in charge of processing and displaying images or graphics to the monitor screen. It is essential for graphic design and video editing. Slide 6. The 7 cooling system. Function to keep the temperature of the computer stable so that it does not overheat. The 8 sound card processing. Sound card processing the input and output of computer sound, making computers capable of producing high-quality sound, whether for music, video, or communication. Slide 7. Next is the input function in computers. The main function of the input device is to provide information to the computer so that it can process it and produce the output accordingly. Example of input device: 1. Keyboard to type data or commands. 2. Mouse to select and move the cursor on the screen. 3. Scanner to enter image or document data. 4. Microphone to input sound or audio data. 5. Webcam to capture image or videos. Slide 8. Next, output function in computers. The main function of the output device is to display or output processing results that are understandable to the user or other device. Example of output device: monitor displays visual results such as text, images, and videos. Printer printing the results of the data, physical form, documents, and images. Speaker output sound or audio from the computer. Headphones emit personal sound without outside interference. Projector displays an image or video from a computer to a large screen. Slide 9. Next benefit inside the computer. Fast and efficient data processing benefits. The processor or CPU inside the computer serves to process data quickly and efficiently. Next, large amount of data storage benefits. Computers are equipped with storage devices such as HDD, hard disk drives, or SSD, solid state drive, that allow us to store large amount of data. Facilitate access to information benefits. With the internet connected to a computer, we can access information from all over the world in seconds. Slide 10. Next, conclusion. A computer is a complex system with various components that work together to perform the desired functions. All components from input, processing, storage to output have an important role in carrying out the tasks assigned to the computer. Slide 2. Definition malicious program. A malicious program is a type of software designed to cause harm, gain unauthorized access, or damage a computer system and other device. These programs often operate without the knowledge or consent of the user and can have various objectives, such as stealing information, corrupting data, or exploiting system resources for harmful purposes. Common types of malicious programs include virus, worms, trojans, spyware, adware, ransomware, and rootkits. Malicious programs can spread through various methods, such as email, website, or connected device. Slide 3. Example malicious program. 1. Virus. Description. A virus is harmful software that spreads by attaching itself to other files or programs. It can damage data, disrupt system operations, or even destroy hardware. Example, I love you virus. 2. Worm. Description. A worm is a program that can replicate itself and spread automatically without user interaction. Worm can damage networks and connected systems. Example, Blaster Worms 2003. Slide 4. Next example. 3. Trojan horse or Trojan. Description. A Trojan is software that appears to be useful or harmless but contains malicious programs. Trojans are often used to steal sensitive data or provide unauthorized access to attackers. Example, Zeus Trojan. 4. Spyware. Description. Spyware is software that collects user data without consent and sends it to third parties. Example, Cool Web Search. Slide 5. Next example. 5. Adware. Description. Adware is software that aggressively displays unwanted advertisements to users. Some adware may also track user activity to show target ads. Example, Fireball. 6. Ransomware. Description. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts files on a victim's device and demands payment, or usually in cryptocurrency to decrypt the files. Example, WannaCry 2017. Slide 6. Next example. 7. Rootkit. Description. A rootkit is software designed to hide the presence of other malware by modifying the operating system and avoiding detection. Example, Stuxnet. 8. Keylogger. Description. A keylogger is software that records every keystroke made by a user, often asked to steal sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers. Example, Phoenix keylogger. Slide 7. Prevention measures against malicious programs. 1. Using antivirus and anti-malware to detect and remove harmful software. 2. Regular system updates, ensuring that the operating system and software are updated to patch security vulnerability. Be cautious with email attachments and links. Avoid opening attachments or clicking links from unknown or suspicious sources. Backup data regularly, performing regular backups to protect against data loss from ransomware or other malware. Slide 8. Characteristic features malicious programs. 1. System performance decline. 2. Change in system settings. 3. Unwanted ads or pop-ups. 4. File change or loss. 5. Unknown process or application. 6. Fake alerts or notification. 7. Difficult accessing or modifying system files. 8. Presence of unwanted programs. Slide 9. How malicious program works. 1. Infection and spread infection via files or programs. Many types of malware, such as virus and trojans, require a carrier such as a file or program to spread. They attach themselves to these files or programs. When the file is opened or the program is executed, the malware activity and start running. 2. Execution and installation. After the malware successfully enters the victim system, it typically tries to install itself in order to run automatically in the background. Slide 10. Conclusion. Overall, malicious programs pose a serious threat that can damage device and jeopardize personal and critical data. With a good understanding of how they work and preventive measures, we can be better prepared to face these threats and protect our device and data from malware attacks. That's all the explanation of the two PowerPoint materials that I have made. Thank you.